Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Assetto Corsa at night. First, we will cover the essential steps to set up your game for nighttime driving, ensuring you get the most out of this unique experience. We'll then dive into optimizing your visual settings, which is crucial for both realism and competitive edge. Get ready to transform your racing sessions into thrilling nocturnal adventures, mastering the track under the stars. To begin your night racing journey, you need to select a track that supports dynamic time of day. Many community-made tracks offer this feature, allowing you to pick a specific hour. Crucially, set the time between 7 p.m. and 5 a.m. for true darkness. Also, confirm your Weather FX mod is properly installed and activated, as this is often essential for advanced lighting and atmospheric effects. Optimizing your visual settings is key for a great night driving experience. Start by slightly increasing your exposure compensation, perhaps by 1 or 2 clicks, to brighten the overall scene. Next, fine-tune your gamma settings to reveal details in the shadows without overexposing highlights. Don't forget to enable your car's headlights and dashboard lights for an authentic and immersive feel, enhancing your perception of the track. Driving at night requires a slightly different approach. Focus intensely on your braking points and any visible track markers, as the reduced visibility makes them even more critical. Consider reducing your speed by a small margin, perhaps 5 to 10 kilometers per hour, especially on unfamiliar sections. Use your car's headlights to illuminate upcoming corners and apexes, allowing you to anticipate turns and maintain a smooth racing line.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.